Introducing the world's first Chimmer blind spot system. The BSD sensor detects distance, speed, and angle of in-range vehicles. Trailer-mounted strip lights reflect in the rear-view mirrors to give warnings about approaching cars. When using turn signals to change lanes, the lane change alert feature displays a warning if any approaching vehicles are detected. The system uses 77 GHz millimeter wave radar technology with easy installation. RVers can always feel as safe on the road as at home with CUB's Chimmer blind spot system.